What is your name and occupation?
My name is Isai Nunez, and I'm the owner of Elite ChemDry.
What caught your interest in the carpet cleaning industry?
When I was 14 years old, I started working as a technician for a ChemDry franchise local here in the Orlando, Florida area. It was a summer job, and it was something just to get out of the home.
When did you decide to become the owner of ChemDry?
4 years after the cleaning, as a technician, I decided to, after graduating high school, I decided to look into other opportunities such as college or working as a full-time technician. At that point, I decided to invest into the ChemDry franchise.
How do you go about getting new clients for the company?
There's various methods out there. One of our major methods is going to be through Google AdWords and through Google Maps. We also use direct mail and magazine clip-ons.
Do you have a motto for your company?
Yes, drier, cleaner, healthier.
Is there anything you would change if you could go back for the company?
Back in 2008, I decided to explore other adventures, and I took some time off from the business. At that point, I saw a slight decline when I started pursuing personal adventures. So if I could go back to 2008, I would dedicate full time to the business, and I would see a substantial growth.
What is the best experience you've had while owning the business?
The best experience I've had are the stories. Our clients daily have a history behind them, and they share it with us. Those stories are the ones that I carry and I cherish every day. I bring them home with me. I share them with my family, and I share them with my friends.
What about worst experiences? Have you had any?
In 12 years, I have not had a bad experience with any of our clients.
And how do you go about gaining the trust from your clients?
Honesty. I learned that from one of my mentors. Having complete honesty with them, being an open book. Once we can demonstrate that everything that we are saying is true, we can gain their trust.
And if you've ever had a negative customer, what was the process of turning them into a positive one?
It's difficult, but at the same time, it's not impossible. First, we have to analyze the situation. What caused it to be negative? At that point, what we do is we start taking traces backwards, and we start dissecting the situation where we can actually make it right. I'll give an example. If our technician showed up late, what we will offer our customer is a refund for the total job. If we notice that they do not wish a refund, at that point what we offer is a free cleaning at their next time of service. There's always a solution to the problem, but we have to find out what their negative experience was. And once we do that, then we can continue forward.
And as far as the vans, what goes into prepping them in the mornings?
So to prep the vans in the morning, we have a full checklist. We have to make sure that we have a full scale of products on our vans, starting from our proprietary natural solution to all of our pre-sprays and our deodorizers. Once we have that in our van, we make sure all of our equipment is working properly, has been cleaned down the night before, and we also make sure that all fluids inside the engine of the van are actually prepped adequately as well.
And what is the difference between doing this job in the office rather than doing it out on the field?
Out in the field is more of a manual labor. Being in the office, it's more, I find it, of concentration and more analytical. Being in the field, there's the experience, like I stated before, is you get that interaction with every customer, one-to-one experience. When I'm in the office, I am dealing with numbers and I'm dealing with charts, mainly for advertisements and mainly for growth.
What motivates you as a business owner?
Back in 2005, I saw my parents struggle through life, and I saw them build what was a home for me and my sisters to actually achieve anything that we wanted. Being that my parents came from overseas, my mother Mexican and my father Dominican, I knew that the struggle in life for them was very hard. So at that point, I decided to open a business where, one, I can support my country and create jobs, but at the same time give a better life to my family as well, which would be my son, Avishai, and my wife.
And what all does your company currently offer?
We currently offer carpet, upholstery, and tile cleaning, all at a professional level. We also do marble, limestone, travertine floors, as far as polishing as well. On the carpet side, we do everything from synthetics to natural fibers, and on the upholstery side, we also do synthetic and natural fibers as well.
Which method do you prefer to do yourself more than any of them?
I love doing the carpet. When we're doing carpet cleaning, it's more of a wow factor. Many folks see us walk in and ask that question again.
Which method do you prefer to do? Which method do you prefer to do over any of them?
I would choose tile cleaning. The reason for that is many folks clean tile at a 3-year rate. Most of them do not realize that tile should be cleaned on a consistency of once a year, 12 months. So,
I'll say it again, you were stumbling. Which method do you prefer over any of them?
I would prefer tile cleaning. Many customers do not realize that tile should be cleaned at a 12-month rate. For this factor, when we do go out, it's a wow factor. We walk into a kitchen and we'll do a demo, and the tile would be from night to day. There's a major difference. So I prefer to do tile because I can prove a wow factor.
Would you rather stay the business owner or go back to being a technician?
I would go back to being a technician. Being a technician, like I stated before, is thrilling to me. I can meet World War II vets. I can meet Vietnam soldiers, veterans. I can meet teachers, professors, nurses, doctors, architects, and every single person has a story that either I can read in a book or I can spend 30 to 45 minutes and folks can explain a lifetime to me. And those stories I will always have with me.
Do you have any special stories? Your most favorite story out of all the time you've been doing this?
Not off the top of my head. You can ask me that tomorrow. Can we do that tomorrow?
Yeah. Let's see. What are your goals for 2016?
For 2016, we want to actually fully have 4 vans on the road. We currently have 3 vans of these on the road right now, servicing a wide variety of anywhere between 3 to 5 customers per day.